What's up? What's going on, my friend? We're back with another video. And in this video, I don't have my phone. My camera battery died, so I'm recording this on my cellular device. So please, don't mind the audio or video, whatever it may be. That might be a little bit different. But in this video, I'm going to talk to you about some emotional feelings that you may be having right now because the market has been bleeding these past couple of days, and kind of give you some guidance and some tips on how to shift your perspective and look at what's happening. Now, I have been investing since I was 23, 24, I'm 30 now. So almost 6-7 years. Took a nice little break in between, wasn't intentional. But I have seen a couple big major dips in my lifetime. And back then I was so emotional, very emotional, and I would panic sell. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, is that a lot of what you see right now is a panic selling. And the people who panic sell more than likely are retail investors, which are people like you and me who are new to the market, who see red, they see that their money is leaving or they're losing money and they sell, which is not what we want to do as meditative investors. As meditative investors, we want to keep our emotions in check. We want to put away our phones during these red times. And if you are emotionally in check, then more than likely you will be setting limit buy orders for your plays that you want to add to your portfolio, or you're going to be nibbling on certain plays to add to shares that you already own, which is very important. So for me, I did make some plays this morning. I had a buy order for Hyliion. That went through. I had a buy order for BLYX. That one went through. I got some Palantir option calls this morning. So I made some moves. I actually bought some stock during this red time, because that is what you should be thinking about, is when you see red, you should think, hey, discount. This is a sale day. Instead, most people see red, and red sparks certain emotions. See, the stock market, those people are very smart whenever they made it red and green. They could have made it any other color and whole rainbow, but they made it red and green. See, red sparks a certain emotional response inside of you versus green. So learning to transmute those emotions inside is the work that needs to be done. And that's done with meditative practice, experience, breathing, having other activities to do besides look at your portfolio. And I'm still working on that one myself, just because I love looking at my portfolio. And it doesn't really bother me whenever I see red. When I see red, I'm looking for deals. I'm like, okay, what can I buy? Because I've seen what the stock market has done just the measly 7 years I've been in it. And it's gone down, but it has recovered more. So guys, please be patient. Please look at the plays that you own. If anything fundamentally has not changed with the companies that you're investing in, please buy the dip. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I have been doing this week. Buy the dip. Okay? Now, be very careful with option plays during this time. That's one thing I'm learning. Options, I'm still learning. Be very careful with option plays during this time, because it can get sketchy really fast. So if you're uncomfortable with option plays, please just buy the shares, own the shares, okay? Own them outright. All right, so now, before I end this video, I really want to talk to you about your budget, okay? Budgeting is very important when it comes to growing, I think, financial wealth. And budgeting in terms of assigning where your dollars go. It's not limited. Most people think budget as a limitation. Budget is really assigning where your dollars are going. So for me, I have everything set aside where I have a certain amount assigned to investments, certain amount assigned to emergency fund, certain amount assigned to cryptocurrency, certain amount assigned to, bills and whatnot, and things like that, travel money, fund money, date money, things like that. So when you sit down and you actually assign where your dollars go, trust when I say you will feel very empowered by doing this exercise. So you sit down and you just take a look at everything that your income and your expenses. Please do this. I know a lot of people do not feel comfortable just taking a look at their bank statement, and it's really sad. So hopefully this talk will hopefully spark something inside you to be like, you know what, I'm gonna take some time and look at this. So therefore, you can be consistent in your investment journey. That's where I fell short. I had a two-year gap where I wasn't investing. I wouldn't put anything in the stock market, which is shame on me. But at hindsight, now I see. Just keep putting money in your investment account. Okay, you wanna buy income with the money that you earn. You earn money and buy income. That's a very beautiful statement. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section. Did you panic sell this week or today, last week? If so, let me know what you sold. If you bought some stocks, let me know in the comment section. Let's talk stock in the comment section. Also, check out the Discord as well if you want to follow some of our trades and some of our plays that we've been doing. We're building up that community nice and slow. Blessings. Mahalo. Later.